All right, guys, Brad here with Custom Offsets. Got an episode listing levels for you. This one's going to be a Toyota Tacoma. Got a rough country. This is their 3-inch kit for the Tacomas here. This kit's for 05 2016 Tacomas. 3-inch kit. Rollin' through the wood and it flexed out. Rims so big and the windows black. Got the knob all lit up, double chromed out stacks. Yeah, we love to get them dirty, but still they so clean. Custom Offsets, team chances, the team. We on top of it now. We ain't never gon' fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game. So how it works is up front we get 3-inch lift here with the strut spacers, and then they also drop the front differential down as well, using these little spacers as well to help with the CV axle angles. So 3 inches up front, it's pretty simple. Remove the struts, install your spacers, and then the spacers as well for the front diff. And in the back, they also do a little 2-inch lift in the rear as well. So you're gonna get the rough country fabricated lift blocks, and then as well as new U-bolts, nuts, and then as well as new shocks for the rear. Obviously the front is going to reuse the factory strut, so there's no replacing of the front strut, but the rear is going to get new shocks, and that's it. It's a pretty simple little kit for a nice 3-inch lift on a Tacoma, and we're going to go install it now. All right, guys, so we got the 3-inch rough country installed on the Tacoma here. It's pretty much just like a leveling kit almost, except there's that little diff drop as well, so you can see just a spacer up front on the strut here, which is going to be what provides the 3 inches of lift. And then the only other thing in the front would be the little differential drop that they give you, which you can't even honestly see anymore because the skid plate covers it, but basically it's just a spacer that goes under the front differential cradle to drop it down a little bit to help with the CV axle angles. And then in the back, standard stuff in the back here, just the 2-inch blocks I believe is what these measure to in the rear, and then new U-bolts, nuts, and then the rough country shocks as well, and that's pretty much it. That was the rough country 3-inch kit for this Tacoma here. Like I said, it's a pretty simple kit, not too many components: front lift, front diff drop, and then rear blocks and rear shocks. Peace.